Greetings, how you all doing? Welcome back to another video. So I know I have been slacking because this is meant to be Vlogmas day 18, but due to natural circumstances, due to the whole festivities going on, I have been slacking, and yeah, this is going to go up late. It's going to go up maybe a day or 2 days after, but please bear with me, okay? So guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Check out our previous videos, mostly our Vlogmas videos. You are going to love them, okay? So in today's video, I want to show you guys how HILDA BACI makes a pancake. Okay, this is actually a coconut pancake that she made. Though she used like liquid tin coconut milk, but I'm using this coconut powder because of course I have this coconut powder at home and it tastes amazing. I use it for chinchin. I'm going to be sharing the recipe, and yeah, I just want to use it for the pancake as well, but I'll leave the original recipe in the description box, so do well to check it out whenever you want to. Okay, so yeah, this is the coconut powder I was talking about. Like, this is so good, the smell and everything. The moment you start mixing, your whole house is going to start smelling amazing. So like I mentioned earlier, check the description box for all of the measurements and everything added. So first thing first, I'm mixing the dry ingredients, and my coconut powder fall into that category. If you are using tin coconut milk, go ahead and mix that with your wet ingredients. So because I'm not using the coconut milk, which will be the tin one in liquid form, I'm using water for this. Okay, so yeah, that is just the twist of how I'm making mine. But you can also go ahead and just mix your water with your coconut powder and then just get a liquid from there. But yeah, I just want to add my dry ingredients separately and yeah, my wet ingredients. Let me allow you to enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm very sure you're going to love this. Guys, don't skip it. Save this video for, you know, now Christmas breakfast. You know how it goes, huh? While you are still cooking, just try and make this simple breakfast for your family, and you're going to enjoy it. So instead of half cup of sugar, I actually just use like 2 tablespoons. This is because I'm going to be eating my pancake with honey. Okay, and you know honey is sweet, so I just have to minimize the sugar I'm adding so my honey can come out looking all perfect. Okay, so yeah, I'm adding melted butter. Okay, so I added 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and that's basically the wet ingredients. I'm going to be adding coconut flavor as well, just to boost the coconut taste and flavor out in this pancake. So over there I have red velvet color because I'm going to color a part of it. I'm going to share it in two once I'm done mixing. So I'm going to color a part of it just because it's Christmas and we are trying to create a Christmas recipe here. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. All right, have a blessed day.